Good morning. Around the house with Kay and Tom. I have finally found small enough cupcake pans that will fit in my Ninja. So I'm going to give it a try. The only thing, they're only 12 at a time, so I'll have to cook it twice to get my 24. But I just wanted to try it in my Ninja. So what we need to do, we're going to need pineapple cake mix, 8 ounces of crushed pineapple, and the only thing I could find was a 20-ounce can, so I'll use 8 ounces of that. Do not drain it. We need a half a cup of vegetable oil, 1/4 cup of water, and 3 eggs. So we will just get started with this. I have got Pillsbury pineapple mix. We'll get our pineapple in there. And like I say, it asked for 8 ounces. And the only thing I could find was 20-ounce can. So 8 ounces equals 1 cup. So we will do 1 cup of pineapple, crushed pineapple. We're going to use 8 ounces of crushed pineapple, 1/4 cup of water, 1/4 cup of water. So first off, and 3 eggs. We've got 3 eggs. I'm going to stir them up just a little bit. We need a half a cup of vegetable oil. I've got a 1/4 cup of water that I had already measured out, so I'm just going to pour that in there and mix that right on in. Then we're going to do a half a cup of vegetable oil. There we go. Half a cup of vegetable oil. I'm using Crisco. That's 1/4 cup of water, half a cup of Crisco, and 3 eggs. As expensive as eggs are right now, a lot of people is not cooking anything with eggs, but I need a little something here at the house sweet. So we're just going to get this blended in, and then I'm going to put the pineapple in. And you need your Ninja oven set. It's 350. An 8 ounce, which happens to be 1 cup, of crushed pineapple. It says do not drain. And we're going to get this stirred in. I have set my Ninja for 350 to let it be heating up just a little bit. Little engine just beeped to let me know it's got to 350. So we've got little cupcakes liners in our pan. This is the first time that I've used these little things. I read somewhere that if you use a ice cream scooper, you can get it in the pan, in the thing better. I don't know about this. I seem to be making a really big mess. I don't think that works as good as just a old-fashioned spoon. Let's just see. Maybe it does. I've got 12 of them fixed, so we're going to put them in the Ninja and cook them. I'm going to cook them for 10 minutes because I think the Ninja is a lot hotter than your oven, and on top of that, these are mini ones, so let's find out. And while they're cooking, I'm going to go ahead and fix up another batch. Okay, I've got one little pan in the Ninja cooking, and I'm going to fix up another container because you can only put one pan in there at a time. The Ninja is just not wide enough to put like you would in an oven. And I have found out that using an ice cream scooper on these little mini ones is the way to go. I'll admit the first pan I did was not the way to go, but you can put them in there a little bit better. Now this one turned out a lot better. Just as soon as that one gets done, we'll put this one in the Ninja. And since I've got so much batter left over, I got my 24 cupcake pan, and I'm going to put the rest of the batter in this big one. And I've got my oven already set 350, and we're just going to stick these in the oven because this will not fit in my Ninja. Now I have fixed 24 in a bigger muffin pan, and I'm going to put those in the oven so this pan will not fit in the Ninja. And practice makes perfect. I'll let you know which one we like better. Alright, this is the first little tin that I put in the Ninja, but I do believe it needs to cook just a little bit more. I set it for 10 minutes, so we're going to do it for at least 5 more minutes. Okay, my big oven has just beeped that I've got it at 350. I'm going to set those in here, and we're going to cook these for 19 minutes. Okay, I've got my timer set for 19 minutes, and these are for the ones that I have put in my big oven. Now I'll put them back in there for 5 more minutes, and they look like, I do believe they're done. So we're going to set the other little one that I had fixed up, and we're going to go ahead and put that one in there and put it for the 15 minutes. And in the meantime, I'm going to take these out. I'm going to set them on this rack for them to be a little Ninja rack, for them to be cooling. And just as soon as they cool just a little bit, we're going to eat some. Let them cool just a little bit, and we shall see what they're like. Now this is real simple. I wanted the little mini ones because, like always, I'm having company and kids are coming, and they do a lot better with little mini muffins than they do with the big ones because they usually don't eat all of them. So I'm just doing the mini ones. And it was nothing more but a box of, I use Pillsbury, 8 ounce or 1 cup of crushed pineapple, which is a half of this when you pour it out, 3 eggs, 1/4 cup of water, and a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. And that's it. They do smell good, so we'll get the rest of them done. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Just a little short video. See if they're not quite. Well, we're going to take this one out. I need to let it get a little bit cooler. It's really hot, but it's really cute. Now you can put icing on it if you would like. I'm not real fond of icing, so I'm just going to leave them plain. And again, this Around the House with Kay and Tom. Nothing more but pineapple muffins. Please join my channel. Come back to see me. Have a fantastic day. Now, aren't they the cutest little things you've ever seen? Now these are the 24 muffins that I cooked in my big oven for 19 minutes. They did get browner, so I really think the 19-20 minutes is what you need. A plate full of muffins. 56 of them. I made 56.